It's finally dry after 3 days of rain, and she's out and about, exploring. Ooh. I'm sure it'll only be a matter of seconds before she disappears over next door's fence, because she does truly believe it is an extension of this garden. There she goes. Off into the furniture. Looking at you. Making me dizzy. Now that we're into October, the internship with the OU is getting really close, and I've just had a phone call with someone regarding the internship, so I'm starting to get excited about it and looking forward to get going. And it's only a matter of weeks away now, so yeah, feeling excited, optimistic, good about the future, and just can't wait to get going. Now it's back to planning my mini cruise to Amsterdam for our anniversary.
Thought I'd find you here.
Yes, hiding from Mother, of course, because she's come home from work in pyjamas. Not in pyjamas at work, but she's now in pyjamas because she's poorly. And when she's poorly, she's always more poorlier than me. So I stay out the way and let her be poorly in peace.
Well, I'm just glad that I did change my mind this morning. Because...
Otherwise you'd have had to stay home with her as well.
Exactly, that's what I mean. Yeah, because the guilt was getting to me, and I'm thinking, well, if I don't go to school, nothing will ever be off my mind.
Well, exactly.
And I'm just going to be thinking for the rest of the year, oh no, I've got 99.9%, so...
And what have I missed? And all I've missed, I've got to catch up on, so it's not worth it. Exactly.
So I just thought, well, why not go to school? Cause
why not?
for a starters, it'll get my brain relaxed, and I won't have to worry about any catch-up work, and I won't have to worry about my attendance.
Exactly. So have we had a good day?
Yeah, I have.
Good. Really good.
Have you? What have you been doing?
Me? I've been editing videos. I've been looking up stuff online. I've been monitoring the cat as she goes for her 2 little adventures that she's been on today. So she's more than happy because she's had 2 adventures.
Oh, that's why she didn't give me eyes today.
Yeah, you won't get no eyes off her today because she's had 2 sessions outside. One was about 40 minutes, next one was about an hour. So,
wow.
Yeah, she's more than happy. She's had 2 little wanders up and down trees and underneath trees. And the first time she came back in, she was soaking wet.
Oh, poor thing.
But it didn't deter her because she still has to go. And she's a creature of habit because it was 12:36 and she sat at the back door. And I said, that's what time I've been letting you out recently, around about 12:30ish. So she knew. So off she went. So she's fine with that.
She remembers the times you let her out.
Yes, well, the animals do seem to know the times very well. Look at Coco. She always knows what time it was. Sasha always knew what time it was when it was 4 o'clock. So
exactly.
You know,
they all know their different times.
They do.
Don't they?
They soon pick up on it. We have glorious sunshine now. Just gone 5 o'clock. Dropped Charlotte off at Rainbows. And Coco's getting her first walk in 3 days. Yes, I'm wrapped up for the Arctic. Although it's not actually Arctic, but I do have a terrible cold that's now spread to my throat. So best to keep it wrapped. filming, I think. Where's the fish? Where's the fishes? Just in that bloody pond, you don't let me have them. Just little. I'm not playing. I'm not playing. I really do not want to play with this silly little pink thing that's in your mouth. No. Absolutely not. It's no cookie dough. No. I don't know why you think just sit on me and chew that. They've dropped it. And I'm not picking it up.